back. The greetings from Germany. We are here at the Düsseldorf Exhibition Center, the center stage of plastic and rubber industry. The K 2025 is showing now.
The theme of K 2025 is the power of plastics. Green, smart, and responsible. At YIZUMI, we're not just taking part, we're bringing this vision to life.
And right now, please follow me to see future in actions.
Right here at Hall 13A73, YIZUMI Plastic Booth, where highlights and innovations await. This is YIZUMI FF30M Micro Injection Molding Machine, specialized for medical industry with turnkey solutions. Precise, stable, reliable.
Hello everyone, my name is Eric, Director of Medical Industry in YIZUMI. Here in K-Show, we are having our global debut of our micro injection molding machine, FF30M. Welcome you visit us at K-Show.
YIZUMI booth, spanning over 300 square meters, is showcasing a host of cutting-edge solutions for diverse sectors including automotive, packaging, and 3C electronics. The innovation here is truly non-stop. YIZUMI Two-Platen Injection Molding Machine, an automotive door intrusion beam manufacturing solution, showcase automotive lightweighting in action. Look, our PH series high-speed injection molding machine is currently molding precise cosmetic soft tube. It can shorten delivery time, cut costs, and meet customized demands. And the industrial pellet 3D printing is demonstrating multi-material, flexible manufacturing. Show you limitless possibility of flexible manufacturing. E+ Smart Manufacturing Platform leverages industrial connectivity to track the entire manufacturing process and drive AI-based production optimization.
Innovation never stops. Most surprising solutions are found in here. The key never ends, like our journey with industry. And we'll see you next time.